Snow power's gentle impact on the planet is compelling. It's a clean process, releasing no greenhouse gases or pollutants. This makes it a powerful tool against climate change. It also solves the problem of snow disposal, avoiding environmental damage. Snow is contained, melting slowly, and water is managed cleanly. Unlike traditional power plants, snow power uses water efficiently. Meltwater can be used for agriculture or replenishing groundwater. Snow power represents a circular economy, working with natural cycles. It aligns with nature's rhythms, offering a sustainable model for society. This harmony with nature is its most promising feature.